All right, Jacob, we're here again at INPHASE Audio. New product again. We got the brand new Rockford Fosgate T2s. Man, these things need a dolly. 67 pounds a piece. So I'm gonna open one up for you. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Ugh. So they're 13 inches because, you know, 12s aren't big enough. All right. How am I gonna get this out of here? Now we're gonna do this. All right. So, really nice packaging. First thing I noticed, because they're so big and bad, they had to mount them on wood. So where most boxing, you know, you got cardboard, come with special bolts, Allen head bolts, mounted on a wood baffle. So I'm gonna try to get this out of here. Oh my goodness. Holy crap, guys. So we got some really special features going on here. First thing, I really like the carbon fiber toe with the long throw surround. You got the aluminum dust cap, that's wicking heat. All for the massive 4-inch voice coil. So the motor has even got cuts in it, and that allows for more cooling. You got huge back plate. I mean, just pretty much the biggest, baddest subwoofer in the world, unless we talk about the T3. This is the T2. So come on down. We got them in stock. We're gonna have them here at INPHASE until somebody gets them.